happens? Look what I have. I built my own volcano. I followed the mold and I painted it. This is my volcano, and we're gonna see if we can make it erupt. So what I'm supposed to do, they gave me this solution. I'm gonna put a tablespoon in here. Whoa, I'm spilling. I'm gonna put a tiny drop of dish soap, and I'm gonna slowly add water, and we'll see what happens. These are examples, just to show you, of volcanic rock that came with this kit. Okay, you ready? Let's see if it's going to erupt. Whoa! That's what happens when a volcano erupts. Wow, imagine that's all lava. Run. Wow. Cool. Looks pretty. Look at our volcano erupting. The mixture was citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Now they say that you can do this. It looks like it stopped. They say you can do this with a Mentos candy and soda. Should we try it? Not sure. Oh! So was our science experiment a success? I think so. Hope you had fun.